Namaste viewers, welcome to Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Today I am going to prepare pomegranate rasam. Ingredients for this are rasam powder 1.5 teaspoon or desired amount, jaggery optional, 3/4 cup of pomegranate. According to the persons you increase or decrease this. For 3 persons this is more than enough. For tempering, mustard seeds, red chilies, cumin seeds, curry leaves, freshly grated coconut just for garnishing, coriander leaf for flavor and garnish, oil required amount, water as required. This tur dal and tomato I have boiled and kept ready. I have taken 2 tablespoons of tur dal and 2 tomatoes. I have boiled it and kept ready. We will smash it and add it in the rasam. Salt according to taste, tamarind extract a half a cup. Now first what we will do, we will smash this tur dal and tomato and mix it thoroughly with the help of this wooden smasher. Now it is ready. We will transfer this into the vessel in which we are going to prepare the rasam. Now I have taken this in a big vessel. To this we will start the add the ingredients one by one. First rasam powder. I have taken around 1.5 teaspoon, full 1.5 teaspoons of rasam powder. You take according to your requirement. The preparation of the rasam powder I have given in the description box. To this itself we will add tamarind extract a half a cup. Then salt, a teaspoon of salt. Mix it thoroughly. Now to this we will add required amount of water and keep this for boiling. By the time it gets ready, we will grind the pomegranate and take the juice out of it. Now I have kept the rasam for boiling. I have added required amount of water. You can taste at this stage and adjust the ingredients whatever is necessary. Let it get boiled. By the time rasam get ready, we will take a mixie jar, add the pomegranate into it. We will grind it and squeeze it. Take the juice out of it. Now I have grinded the pomegranate without adding water. Don't add water. Whatever juice you extract from it, you add it to the rasam. We will squeeze it out and take out the juice. Now I have squeezed out all the juice from it. This is enough for 3 persons. This is nearly half a cup of pomegranate juice. This is enough for the 3 persons. If you are preparing this for more people, you add the pomegranate as required. At least half a cup of pomegranate juice is necessary for this amount of rasam. Now the rasam is also ready. We will switch off the stove and give a tempering for this. For tempering I have kept oil for getting heat. Once it is heated, we will add hing. I missed it in while showing the ingredients. Hing is very necessary for the rasam. Then mustard and jeera seeds. Let it sizzle. Then add curry leaves. Once it is done, next red chilies. Now it is ready. We will add this into the rasam. Now immediately we will add jaggery, 1 teaspoon of jaggery. This is optional. If you want you can add or else you can skip. Then coriander leaves. Then freshly grated coconut. Finally we will add the freshly taken juice out of pomegranate. Add it to it the rasam. Give a nice mix. Then close it with a lid. Once you close the lid, leave it as it is for 10 minutes so that all the flavors of the pomegranate juice, coriander leaves, freshly grated coconut, all mix it and it will become very tasty. After 10 minutes it is ready to serve. But one thing you have to keep it in mind, that it should not be reheated because we have added the pomegranate juice. It will become bitter. So don't reheat the rasam. This is ready. The very tasty, healthy pomegranate rasam is ready to serve with steaming rice. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Thank you.